Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all doing great. So today we're going to learn the Arabic alphabets, or Al-Abjadiyya Al-Arabiyya, Al-Abjadiyya Al-Arabiyya. So what you need to know that the Arabic alphabets that Al-Abjadiyya Al-Arabiyya, the Arabic alphabet has 28 letters, okay? And it has, of course, vowels and it has consonants. And in contrast with the English language, you write from the left to the right. In Arabic writing, we write from the right to the left. Also, the Arabic language do not distinguish between uppercase or lowercase. The letter will be in its shape, wherever it's in the beginning of a word, or the end and the middle, it's the same size. So we don't consider upper cases or lower cases. But before we get into the details, please hit the subscribe button and follow me on social media and subscribe to my channel. I will be glad if you do so. Let's begin. The first letter is Alif. Alif, it goes like A in apple. For example, we have Asad, which means a lion. Alif, it goes like A in apple. For example, Asad, which means a lion. We have the second letter, Ba. Ba, and it goes like B in English. For example, we have here Batta, Batta. We have Ta, Ta, it goes like T, a light T in English language. For example, we have here Tufah, Tufah. We have the letter Tha, Tha. So we have Ta and Tha, Tha. And it's pronounced like the verb to think, okay? But it's kind of light. For example, we have here ثعلب, ثعلب. Jim, Jim. It goes like G in English language. For example, Jamal, Jamal, which means a camel. Jamal. Ha, it's a sharp H, but it goes from your throat. Like you have eaten something very spicy and you cannot stand it. So you go like, for example, Hisan, Hisan, which means a horse. Kha, 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 kha. It's like you have something stuck in your throat and you want to clear it. Like it's in Spanish language, like Julio. So kha. For example, we have here Kharuf, Kharuf. We have here Del, Del. It goes like T in English. For example, we have here Dubbun, Dubbun, which means a beer. Dubbun, Dubbun. We have Dhal, Dhal, Dhal. It's like in the word this or that. Okay? For example, we have here Dhi'bun, 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 which means a wolf. Dhi'bun, Dhi'bun. We have Ra, Ra, and you pronounce it like you do a soft vibration with your tongue on the upper of your mouth. Ra, Ra. For example, Roman, Roman, Roman. Zai, Zai. It's like the word zebra, like you do. A butterfly sound. Z. For example, we have زرافة, زرافة. Seen like S. For example, we say سفينة, سفينة, which means a ship. سفينة. Sheen, 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 like in the word ship, ship. For example, we say شمس, شمس, which means the sun. شمس, شمس. صاد, صاد. It's like S but kind of strong. صاد, صاد. It's like you whisper S but kind of strong. صا, صا, صا. صاد, صاد. For example, we say صقر, صقر, صقر. ضاد, ضاد, ضاد. It's like D but uh, but kind of strong, and your tongue have to be kind of wide. ضاد, ضاد. It's like you try to say D, but you make it very strong. ضاد, ضاد. For example, we have here ضفدع, 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 which means a frog. طاء, طاء, طاء. It's a T, but kind of heavy, and your tongue might touch like the upper of your teeth. Ta, ta. Try to say T, but you try to make it like heavy and strong, and you emphasize on the letter ta, ta. For example, we have here طائرة, طائرة. The next letter the, the, the. It's it's like then, but it's heavy and voiced, and you can feel it in your from your throat. But deeper and heavier. Oh, the. It's like you want to say the letter Z and the letter F at the same time. The, the, the. For example, طرف, ظرف, طرف. عين, عين. It produce in the deep on your throat. Uh, it's like you're trying to throw up. Okay, or you are trying to do a scary sound. عين, عين. For example, عنب, عنب, عنب. غين, غين. It's kind similar to the French letter R. Um, Rendezvous, au revoir. It's similar to the French letter. We have ra, ra. It's an uvula sound. It goes from the back of your throat, and it's vibrate like as I said, it's like R in French, and I think it has no equivalent in English. So imagine you are putting some water in your throat and you want to clean it, and you go like so. That's the sound. Ra, ra. For example, we say غيمة, 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 which means a cloud. ثاء, ثاء, ثاء. It's like F. Okay, it's very easy. F. For example, we say فراشة, فراشة. We have قاف, قاف, and it produces at the very back of your throat. It's a uvula area. Okay, and it's similar to ka, but it's kind of deeper and heavier. Of ka, ka. So you goes like ka, 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 and it's in the very back of your throat. Qa, qa, qa. It's a stronger, deeper qa. Okay? Qa, qaf. For example, we say qalam, qalam, qalam. We have kaf, kaf. It's like ka in English language. Kaf. For example, we say kitab, kitab, which means a book. Kitab. We have lam, lam. It's like L, okay? Lam. But a kind of light L, okay? For example, we say here laymoon, laymoon, laymoon. We have meme, meme. It's kind of, it's like M, okay? Meme. For example, we say here miftah, miftah, miftah. We have noon, noon, noon. It's like N, okay? For example, we say nahla. We have ha, ha, ha. It goes like H in hello, hot, okay? But it's produced from the throat, and it and the air passes through the vocal cords, but without vibration, voiceless, okay? So it's like H, but without vibration. Ha, ha, ha. For example, we say هاتف, هاتف, هاتف. We have wow, wow. It's like W, but kind of light, okay? For example, we have here warda, 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 which means a rose, a flower. Warda, warda. Wow, warda. And we have yeah, yeah. It goes like Y in Yankees, okay? Yed, for example, yed, 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 yeah, yed. So that's it for today, guys. I hope everything was clear. I know, it's hard to remember everything at once. It's hard to pronounce everything at once. I know many letters they are not in your native language, and that's totally normal. Don't get stressed about it. Try to pronounce as you can. Um, if you are not pronouncing it correctly, don't worry about it. Practice make perfect. Just enjoy the process. Don't think too much. Arabic is a beautiful language, and just with repetition, everything will be smooth and everything will be easier. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me on. If you have any questions, any observations, just let me know. And thank you, guys, and enjoy your day or night or whatever. Thank you, guys. Bye.